Welcome to the Vredestein Academy, where we will teach you everything you need to know about your tires. Taking good care of your tires is just as important as taking care of your car. It keeps them in good shape, extends their lifespan, and minimizes the wearing out. Wear and tear are influenced by several causes. 1. Your right foot. Speed, fast acceleration, cornering, and heavy braking influences the lifespan of your tire. 2. The road surface. The friction between your tires and the road surface ensures grip to keep vehicles on the road, but it also causes abrasion of the tire, causing the tire and road to wear out. 3. Potholes and any other obstacles on the road. These may damage the tire or develop a bulge on the tire. 4. Wheel misalignment. Misaligned wheels wear much quicker. 5. Climate. Seasonal change impacts the condition of your tires too. Each season affects the tire differently. Hot summer weather might cause your tires to overinflate. When combined with hot pavements and long car trips, it influences the tire pressure when you're driving. When the seasons are about to change and your tire has accustomed to the hot weather, the tire pressure will decrease significantly once it comes into contact with the cold weather. 6. Your vehicle. Particularly, its weight and engine performance have a big impact on tire wear. And finally, 7. Tire pressure. Having the right tire pressure improves driving comfort and decreases fuel consumption and tire wear. What could you do in order to prevent your tires from rapidly wearing out? Well, first, buy yourself the right brand. Also, be sure to check your tire pressure every 2 to 4 weeks and before longer trips. Additionally, avoid driving over any obstacles on the road and adjust your driving style. Keep your right foot in check, avoid taking turns too fast and braking too hard. You should also switch your front tires with your back tires once in a while. Your front tires are likely to experience more stress when driving because of the steering and turning of the car. Invest in wheel alignment. As stated earlier, wheel misalignment causes uneven wear to the tires. Proper wheel alignment makes your tires last longer, drive your vehicle smoother, and keep your wheels pointed in the right direction. The storage of your tires also influences their well-being. Would you like to know more about how to store your tires properly? Then watch our video on How Do I Store My Tires for more information. Thanks for watching.